Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my lunch is covered tofu with pre-cooked mushroom and 3-minute miso soup. Ingredients: a pack of tofu 200 gram, pre-cooked mushroom 60 gram, a pack of pre-cooked veggies 200 gram, miso paste tablespoon 3, water 1000 cc. How to cook it? 1. Cover tofu with paper towel to drain water off. 2. Cut tofu to cube size. 3. Put the pre-cooked mushroom onto the tofu. How to cook 3-minute miso soup. 1. Boil water 1000 ml in a pan. Add the pre-cooked veggies into the hot water in the pan. 3. Dissolve miso paste in the hot water and fry them again about 3 minutes. That's all for today's cooking. Let's start cooking 3-minute miso soup. Turn on the gas. Boil the water 1000 milliliter. Add pre-cooked veggies into hot water. Boil them 5 minutes. After boiling them, dissolve the miso paste. Mix them. Miso soup is completed. This is tofu covered with paper towel to drain the water off. Cut tofu put them in a plate. This is a kind of mushroom, nametake. Put it on the tofu. This is kimchi. My lunch is prepared for eating. This is side dish, tofu. With nametake. 3 minutes miso soup. Steamed rice, my main dish. This is kimchi. Now it's time to eat. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.